After a long experience in development of a skincare product, and after a meeting with the two founders of the new brand Radical Skincare, Liz and Rachel Edlich, I have decided to join this young team. What I found attractive in this company, their will to find, without compromise, the more effective solution answering to the more demanding woman, without problem of budget, without problem of delay. You can imagine that for somebody working in a laboratory, it's really a dream. So it's really the reason for which I choose to join this company. What is this product? What is the ambition of this product? The ambition of this product is to preserve and to improve the comfort and the beauty of the skin. But not only. It's also to enhance the capacity, the activity of the other products you will use after. This is very important because the product by itself has its own activity, but also it helps the activity of the other products. It's also in the philosophy of the company. We can say that we are multitasking. So, the problem of this kind of challenge is that it is very difficult. Why? Because, you know, each person is a specific case. Each person has its own needs. Men, women, depending of the age, depending of the lifestyle, depending of the skin type, depending also of the genetics. So you can imagine it's not easy to be universal. It's what we have tried to do. And to do that, we have chosen 17 active ingredients. These 17 active ingredients are not only chosen for their intrinsic properties, but also because they improve each other, the role of each ingredient. What do they do? The purpose is to keep the youth and the radiance of the skin. Not so easy. There is three main orientations to do that. First, protection. Second, hydration. And third, firmness. Protection must be understood overall and mainly for the different oxidations. Because you know, there is not only one oxidation. There is several kinds of oxidations which produce several families of free radicals. And if we want to be able to neutralize these different families of free radicals, we need to be multi-trapped. After that, we have the hydration. Hydration, the purpose is only to balance the hydration. Because you know, when we speak about hydration, too much is not better than not enough. Hydration is something which is also very difficult to do if we want to be serious. Because here also we need to be multitasking. Because hydration of the surface of the skin is completely different of hydration of the deeper layers. When we are on the surface, what we want to do is to stimulate the production of filaggrin. What is the filaggrin? The filaggrin is the raw material necessary for the skin itself to produce what we call the natural moisturizing factor, which is a kind of sponge produced in the skin, able to catch exactly the optimal quantity of water necessary for the quality of the skin. When we go deeper in the skin, we have to promote the enrichment of hyaluronic acid. And for that, we also use in Radical Skincare an exclusive complex, which is an association of hyaluronic acid molecules and another polymer, which give more activity and a longer activity in the skin in terms of hydration of the deep layer of the skin. Third activity, the firmness. Firmness is very important for the quality of your skin. Firmness, obviously, is one of the parameters of the firmness is the good hydration. If you have a well-hydrated skin, this skin will be firm. But it's not enough. The main factors of the firmness of your skin is the combination of collagen, elastin, glycoprotein, metalloprotease. And what we can do is to balance the turnover of these different elements. Stimulation of the new components, but also not only the stimulation, but also the elimination of the old one, which are no more able to play their role. We must remove them. And this is not so easy to do, and it's what we have done with a combination also exclusive for the company, for the brand, a combination of different plants. Rosemary, echinacea, and also a special quality of apple. Apple is something which could seem very ordinary, but it's not the case. Our apple is not an ordinary apple. It's a Swiss apple. This is not the main difference. But this Swiss apple is a rare variety of apple, a species which is endangered because it's very rare. What is the interest of this variety of apple? It's an apple which has a very shelf life. We can keep this apple several months without any damage. So this gave us the idea that in the composition of this apple, some molecules are very interesting in terms of safety, of longevity for the cells. We have used stem cells of this apple because, as I told you, it is an endangered species, so that we cannot keep or take it on the tree. We take some cells, we extract it from these stem cells of apple the good and interesting molecules. We tried these molecules on our cells, skin cells, in vitro studies, and we have demonstrated that we can also increase the shelf life, the life of the skin cells with the extract of this apple. We have chosen also a specific and exclusive complex for radical skincare, which is named Trilacell. This Trilacell is made of the more active antioxidant existing today in the natural and synthetic field. We have really a combination of different ingredients. Among them you have the tea, you have the coffee, you have the grape, you have the acai, but other molecules which give to the product the highest antioxidant power possible today, tested obviously in different kind of tests. Here is the product Youth-Infusion with, as you can see, the antioxidant complex I mentioned during the presentation, Trilacell. But I want to precise, Trilacell is not only a very powerful antioxidant, it's also a very good anti-inflammatory and anti-aging agent. Anti-inflammatory, it's interesting because this Trilacell is present in all the products of the range. And we already received very good testimonies giving very good results on very sensitive skin. And if we have these good results with the other product used already, it's because and only because we have this exclusive complex Trilacell in the product.